छोटी स्क्रीन के लिए ठीक रहता है, मोबाइल स्क्रीन में आराम से देख लो। अब देखो ये हो रहा है, अब जाओ अपने आप चैनल पे, मैं अपनी यहाँ ऑडियो बंद कर देता हूँ अपनी।
Hello everyone and welcome to the MATLAB Simulink for the Absolute Beginner tutorial. In the next 45 minutes, I'm going to teach you the fundamentals of Simulink, and you should be able to develop 3 models from scratch. My name is Ryan Ahmad. I'm an engineering professor and best-selling Udemy instructor. I hold a doctorate degree in engineering and have been working with MATLAB and Simulink for over 10 years in both industrial and academic settings. In this tutorial, you're going to receive a detailed explanation of fundamental Simulink programming concepts. Simulink is a great software tool that enables anyone to model, simulate, analyze electrical, mechanical, and hydraulic systems in a fun and easy way. The tool is so powerful and used globally by most engineering firms because you can easily use it to build complex systems graphically using ready-to-use blocks from an extensive library. In this tutorial, we will build 3 Simulink projects together in a fun and easy way. There is no prior experience required. Even if you have never used MATLAB or Simulink before, don't worry. In this tutorial, you will have a clear video explanation of each of the topics we're going to be covering. We will start from the basics and gradually build up your knowledge. If you want to learn more about MATLAB and Simulink, check out the link below. And for more videos to come, subscribe to the channel and let's get started with the first project. So what is Simulink? Simulink is a simple and user-friendly tool that we can use to develop, simulate, analyze, and study any system in a graphical way. So instead of writing codes of these systems from scratch, which is a tedious and time-consuming job, we can use Simulink library and simply drag and drop all the blocks we need to represent any system. Let's start by downloading MATLAB and Simulink. You can find the detailed download steps by following the link below. In this tutorial, we'll build 3 practical beginners level projects. Before we start building our models, I will make sure to explain all the related theoretical fundamentals first. In the first project, we'll learn how to generate, display, and export source-generating sine wave and tune its parameters. After completing the first project, students will be able to select blocks from the Simulink library, add up and view two signals in Simulink, generate sine wave and tune its parameters, change the model configuration parameters and get fine-tuned data, export a variable into the workspace and plot it, magnify a signal using a gain multiplier. In the second project, we'll learn how to develop a mathematical equation using Simulink. We'll develop an equation to convert temperature readings from Celsius to Fahrenheit. After completing the first project, students will be able to implement mathematical equations in Simulink, call a Simulink model from an M script, feed data from the user and use it in the model. In the third project, we'll learn how to implement a logic in Simulink, including if-else statements. After completing the project, you will be able to develop an if-else statement in Simulink, design a selector switch to develop your own logic. Let's get started with the first project. So in this project, we're going to learn how to generate sine waves, add them together, and display them in Simulink. Again, this project is quite simple project, but it will teach you a lot of fundamentals on how to use Simulink, how to deal with it, how to plot variables. So let's start with the first project. All right, so the objective is to basically build this final project as we can see here. So you will see that we have 3 generating sine waves, and the plan is to have these sine waves generated at various frequencies. We're going to add them up, and the plan is to generate or view these signals together. And then we're going to learn how to export these signals to the workspace. If you're not familiar with MATLAB or Simulink,